What if your beautifully designed, carefully written email campaigns never got read? Not because of bad subject lines, not because of deliverability issues, but because AI already told your customer what was inside. Today, we're breaking down how email summarizers like Gemini and Gmail, Outlook's Copilot, and even Apple Mail are completely changing how people receive, open, and interact with marketing emails. And most importantly, how you as an operator and marketing professional need to adapt your email marketing strategy before your Klaviyo campaigns become background noise within an AI-generated highlight reel. This is one of the most important shifts in retention marketing right now. So with that being said, let's get into it. So what are email summarizers in the first place? Email summarizers are tools built into email clients like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and Apple Mail that use artificial intelligence to automatically read, extract, and present key points from your emails. So instead of your customers seeing your subject line and pre-header text and then clicking in, they might just see the Gemini summary for 20% off all orders, end Sunday, free shipping. And that's it. That's all they're going to engage with. These tools are trained on large language models, also called LLMs, and they're designed to save the user time, which is great for consumers. But for all of us marketers, it's a new battleground that we need to tackle and understand. Who's already in the AI summarization game? Well, let's start off with Gmail's Gemini. It's on Android, iOS, and web if you're using Google Workspace or Gemini Premium. Then we have Apple Mail, especially for iOS 18 beta users. Apple now uses category tabs and even inline smart snippets. Next up, we have Yahoo Mail, and Yahoo's rolling out AI-powered summaries using their top highlights inbox feature. Then we have Outlook using Copilot. If you're on Microsoft 365, Copilot can summarize emails, threads, and suggest replies. And that's just the beginning. These ISPs, internet service providers, are putting AI in front of your copy. That means your beautifully designed email with witty body text and animated GIFs might never even get seen by your customers and subscribers. So how are AI summaries changing the inbox experience? Historically, you had about 3 to 5 seconds to win the open with a killer subject line and a juicy pre-header text. Now, that moment is being preempted by AI, which scrapes the email body and generates its own preview. Inbox behavior is changing. Instead of opening, reading, and clicking, it's skim the summary, ignore, and move on. Email marketing used to be about beating the human attention span. Now you're competing with AI, and AI decides if your message is even worth opening. That is absolutely wild. We're living in a world now where AI is taking over the inbox and suggesting to the user if this email that it's being sent is even worth reading in the first place. So let's talk about KPIs, because yes, AI summaries are absolutely affecting performance. Open rates, they might look stable, but real engagement may be dropping. Next, we have click rates. They're getting softer, especially if the summary gives away the actual CTA. What's the point in someone reading if they already get the CTA in the first place and they don't like the CTA, or there's too many CTAs to choose from? Next, we have deliverability, which becomes even trickier. If your emails are getting skimmed but not open, Gmail might interpret that as low engagement, impacting inbox placement. Yes, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about you potentially ending up in the promo tab or the spam tab because your emails are not built right to be read by AI. So if your list is seeing more ghosting than ghost peppers, it might not be your campaign. It might be Gemini telling your customers, hey, you don't need to open this one. Here's what you can do to stay ahead. First off, you can write AI-friendly emails. Put the offer, the CTA, and the urgency at the top of the email. Assume that AI is skimming. And what can it pull from your email to take that analysis and put it into a summary? Use clean semantic formatting within your email design when it comes to copy. Headers, bullets, spacing, make your email summarizable on your terms. Next, this is a big one. You're gonna wanna test summary visibility. Send test emails using Gmail, Apple, and Yahoo accounts. See what summary actually shows up. And not only that, make sure to take notes on this. Just like we take notes on feedback with deliverability, open rates, pre-header, and performance, we wanna take notes on what type of messaging and what type of design is actually performing in certain inboxes. And number 4, you want to improve engagement signals. Use segmentation, add in personalized content, and avoid fatigue. If users engage post-summary, you're going to win the game. And number 5, use subject lines and pre-headers strategically. These still influence opens, but now think of them more as a part of a 3-way preview battle that includes subject, pre-header, and AI summary. So how is this going to change your email campaign strategy? This isn't just a formatting issue. It's a strategic pivot for how we build lifecycle campaigns moving forward. And here's how AI summaries are influencing the campaign structure and what you can do to build your campaigns more effectively in the future. First off, start with shorter emails. Shorter emails are outperforming longer ones in AI-heavy inbox. Next, single CTA emails tend to get summarized more effectively. If you have too many CTAs going to different offers, different collection pages, it's going to be challenging for the AI to summarize it properly and give the user and subscriber the proper content they need to be excited to consume. Next, you're going to want to add in campaigns with real-time urgency. For example, price drops and inventory alerts show up better in summaries. Take this FOMO and real-time urgency aspect to your advantage. I'm going to give you guys a quick example. 2 weeks ago, we ran a birthday campaign for a client. Every year we've done this, and usually we run that sale for a day or two. This year, we did it a little different. Our client was turning 37, and she's the public figure behind the brand. So this year, what we did is we pre-promoted a really killer sale and left it for 37 minutes. And I tell you, we absolutely crushed it. We had our best non-Black Friday day ever. Black Friday 2024 was the best day ever this client had. They did over 50K with a majority of that revenue coming within that 37-minute sale. Use real-time urgency to your advantage. And lastly, behavioral logic matters more than ever before. Triggered flows that match user intent will stay relevant even if AI is summarizing it. Remember, we're not just running campaigns. We're not just looking at campaigns here. We're looking at how your flow strategy will be affected in the future and what you can do to be more strategic with your marketing mix. The more strategic flows you have that are segmenting out the user journey within the customer experience, the more effective your campaigns are going to be overall. We're now entering into a world where email is scanned by robots first and humans second. You need to write for both of them. So what does the future of email marketing look like with AI and these summarizers? The inbox of the future isn't static, it's smart. AI will start suggesting replies on your customer's behalf, rewriting parts of your copy to fit their tone, and prioritizing or suppressing emails based on previous behavior and summaries. You might even see your subject lines rewritten by ISPs before the customer even sees them. But here's the opportunity. Brands that adapt early, that build AI-friendly emails, that understand new behavior patterns are going to stand out while everyone else is getting filtered into summary purgatory. If you're a brand using Klaviyo or any ESP right now, here's what you need to know. AI summarizers are already live in Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, and Yahoo. They change how emails are previewed, read, and even clicked. Open and click rates are being impacted, even if you have fire copy. Structure, clarity, and brevity now direct influence visibility. And lastly, marketers need to test, adapt, and evolve faster than ever before. This isn't the end of email marketing. This is the next version of it. And if you're watching this video, you're already ahead of 90% of the game. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone that you think is going to get some value out of it. And if you really like it, hit that like button, comment below on how your emails are performing lately. Love you guys. Peace.